What's going on, guys? We are back in the shop with another new product for you, and this is going to be geared specifically towards you EcoBoost guys, specifically the 2.7. Now this is AWE's 3-inch catback exhaust. This is going to be 304 stainless steel. AWE claims it's the best sounding exhaust on the market for the EcoBoost. We'll see, but let's go over some features of this thing. So like I said, this is 304 stainless steel, made, manufactured in the USA. This is going to be a side exit with dual tips, so it's 3-inch with 4.5-inch dual tips on there, available in both chrome and the black diamond like we have here. And they are double walled too, so you get a little bit resonation out of there. So the muffler itself, this is a non-resonating mid-pipe. So that means there's gonna be no drone at highway speeds, at cruising speeds out of this thing. You just get that loud sound takeoff, and then you get resonance while you're driving so that you don't get any drone out of it. This is going to be a complete bolt-on catback exhaust system. This one's specifically designed for the 2.7 that we're going to be putting it on, but they also make it for the 3.5 EcoBoost as well as the 5.0 V8. They do not work on the power boost, obviously, for obvious reasons, and the tremors, just for clearance issues. Otherwise, it's going to fit on every other optioned F-150 out there with those 3 main engine options. These also have a lifetime warranty, so as long as you own the truck, they guarantee that none of this is going to go bad on you. So we're going to get this thing installed, fired up. We've already got a stock sound clip, so we're going to throw this in, and we'll get an after sound clip when we do some rollers once we're done with the truck. It's getting a lot of other things besides just the exhaust you'll see in this video, but we'll show you guys how easy this is to install and show you what it sounds like. So let's get started.
Hear this thing though.
Everyone does. Adam was like waiting all day for it.
Yeah. Banker, can we hear this thing?
Can you make it go vroom?